Hi guys, we're Kyal and Cara and this is our latest project, Bay Builds. So Bay Builds is a side-by-side development on the Central Coast. We have House 1 and House 2. House 1 is our French-inspired home with a bit of a coastal touch.
And with the entryway, we wanted it to be really big, inviting, and really grand. So we've gone with the Corinthian Elements door, and this is the natural oak finished in an exterior water-based varnish. As you see when you come inside, it really does set the tone for what's in here.
As you enter House 1, we have our foyer and media room here.
The doors we've selected here are from the Manhattan range. We've hung these using the Attica face of wall track system so we can slide them open. And what I do love about these doors is that they look like they've got a steel profile around the outside, but it's actually timber, so it's a really elegant look.
So moving through here, we have our helical staircase, powder room and wine room.
This area is the kitchen, living and dining space. It's got a beautiful open plan feel, heaps of natural light coming in through the void, and you're also really connected to that outdoor entertaining space.
I really love the mix of textures in this space. We have the micro cement on the walls and the dining nook. We have the leather seats, and we have this gorgeous oak, which is a beautiful reference to what's happening at the front door.
And over here in the kitchen, we've gone with the Taj Mahal for our bench top on the island, and we've also used it on the range hood.
I love the subtle vein in this. We've actually used this in our main bedroom also, so coming up and we'll show you that.
The upstairs layout works really well with having the office and guest bedrooms down that end and the main bedroom retreat just here.
So upstairs we've used the motor doors throughout. This is our absolute favourite interior door. It has those clean, refined lines and works beautifully with the satin nickel handle.
The main bedroom retreat definitely has that luxurious feel with the high ceilings, the curved wall and the stone-capped bedhead.
Through here we have the walk-in row. We've used oak cabinetry with the rattan. And leading you into the ensuite, we have the motor door, which we've hung with the barn door system. Through to the ensuite, we have these travertine tiles, lots of texture, and obviously loads of natural light.
All right, down the hallway, we've got our linen cupboard, and we've used the bifold system here, which is super practical to access everything in there.
In here, we have our main bathroom. This is such a grand space. We have a large big bath here, a walk-in shower and a big grand vanity. And we've gone with the platinum cavity sliding system to save on space in here.
Down this end of the hallway, we've got the void, which allows you to feel connected to that downstairs living space.
Through here, we have bedroom 3, which has a really nice outlook onto the balcony garden.
And then here we have our double hung Manhattan doors, allowing you to go straight into the office. And I love it when you come up the stairs, you get to look at these beautiful doors straight down the hallway, but they're also really practical because you can shut out all the noise.
Thank you for watching House 1 tour. Make sure you tune in for House 2 Bay Builds tour as well.